Yo, first order of the day is going to be a Taco Bell. This one is $8 going just under 6 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Large Pepsi will be right up.
Is this all the food?
Yeah, just a drink.
Okay. Apparently they ordered the whole menu because this is a really big bag. That took forever. I'm not sure what my favorite part of that order was. Waiting like 10 minutes at the drive-thru, not being able to see anything at the drop-off, or the fact that that was a no tip. At least we got the next order right away. This is a 7-Eleven, $9 going, I think it's at 6 miles. They just gave me an add-on order for Jack in the Box. This is $7 going an extra 3 miles. They just gave me another add-on. This is Black Rock Coffee, $6 going an extra mile. Got you right here. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Of course, have a great day.
You too. Why do people need to lie? This one said, I'll meet you at your car. I don't see anybody. Could I get you? Yes, perfect. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. The other drop-off is here as well. I didn't know that. Now I need a gate code that they did not provide. And I'm also in a towing spot, so let me drive to the other side of the street real quick. Were you waiting on food?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I was just about to turn around because I was in a tow zone. There's that.
All right.
Got it?
Got it.
All right, you have a good day. That worked out surprisingly well. Next order is a Starbucks, $6 and change going 3.5 miles.
Hi there. Hi there.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $6 and change going 3 miles, only one item.
For items without bar.
Next up is a Chick-fil-A. This one is $6 going about a mile.
Alrighty, sir. Here you are.
Thank you.
It's fun when you're there.
Sorry. Is that 234?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for food.
Good luck with that one. We've got, ooh, is that for the same person? Well, they gave me an add-on, but I think it's going to the same person. So we've got Voodoo Donut and Starbucks. What is that? 9 plus 6, 15, going 6 miles. Thank you.
Thanks for stopping in.
Thank you. Got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $8 going 4 miles, 2 items.
Welcome. If you have your... Please scan it now. Scan item.
A little bit of a wait since that last order, but next one just came in. This is a Chick-fil-A, $10 going 2 miles. There was a little bit of a wait at the restaurant, but in the end, that order only took 10 minutes. So $10, 10 minutes, I'd say that's pretty good. Finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Target, $13 going 2 miles, 5 items. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next up is a Taco Bell. This is $7 going 3 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome. A movie right there.
Next up is a Victor Rico's. This is $10 going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. All right. I think it's time to go home. Current time is 10:02. Current total is 95, and I'm definitely waiting on tips because all but one order today was on Uber. So I'll throw up the total whenever that comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.